Well, we see it as a great way of connecting with our customers.
It's brilliant. It's clients don't have to cut out coupons. They get instant money offers.
It's a new, exciting, fresh idea which brings in new customers. Well, Molo is the latest in mobile phone near-field communication technology.
It's just brilliant, and all it is an app on your phone and you're away.
We've got full control over the products and offers and discounts that we want to provide to our customers, and we have a great way of promoting it to them.
It's just brilliant.
I have 100% control. I can change offers daily, weekly, specials. If I have something that I particularly want to sell for a special occasion, a rock festival, something like that, I can upload it to the site instantaneously. The customers then become aware of it and a tap away.
We can use any of our social media platforms to promote that, plus of course Molo's own promotional systems to deliver that.
You literally put your phone up against here. It then sends the coupons straight down onto our computer. We just tick them, we're away. We've
had various systems in the past which have been quite fiddly. This one is literally take your phone out of your pocket, scan it over the device, and away you go.
Personally, I think it's a really exciting project. We've never had anything like this before. There's never been a delivery mechanism like this before. We think it's going to add real value to our business in the short, medium and even long term.
It's just been a revelation in how modern technology has helped the independent to get to thousands of people out there.